Did the United States government just take California to court over electric cars? Here's what's happening. The United States government has filed a major lawsuit against California regulators, challenging the state's strict electric vehicle policies. Federal officials argue that California's rules are going too far and could effectively control national fuel economy standards. At the center of the case are two major regulations created by the California Air Resources Board. First, California requires automakers to meet strict carbon emission limits for vehicles sold in the state. For 2025 models, passenger vehicles must stay below 131 grams of carbon dioxide per mile. Second, the state introduced a rule requiring automakers to sell more zero-emission vehicles. In 2025, at least 22% of cars sold must be electric or produce zero emissions to achieve 100% zero-emission vehicle sales by 2035. Federal officials say these policies violate the Energy Policy and Conservation Act, which grants the federal government authority over fuel economy standards nationwide. They argue that even though the rules focus on emissions and electric vehicles, they still indirectly control fuel efficiency, something states are not allowed to regulate. The federal government is now asking a court to declare California's rules unlawful and permanently block them from being enforced. This case could become a major legal battle over who really controls vehicle regulations in the United States, federal authorities or individual states. If the federal government wins, California could lose much of its power to set strict vehicle emissions policies. But if California wins, it could strengthen the state's role in shaping environmental standards that influence the entire United States auto market. The case is expected to move through federal courts in the coming months, and the outcome could have a huge impact on the future of electric vehicles in America. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick breakdowns of the biggest global news stories. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.